might not seem like it, but I have suffered from video resistance from day one, and I still do. So here's what I do to overcome that nasty little inner critic that is telling me to do it another day, do it when you feel better, do it when you're less busy. All those excuses. It's 3 steps. Are you ready? Step 1. We're going to use the power of your imagination. If you can visualize it and feel it, that's the important ingredient. You must feel it. Then you can tell your body and tell your mind that it's happening. It's creating a roadmap to get you there. So I want you to imagine in a few months' time where you have mastered the art of making video. You feel confident, you feel comfortable, and as a result, you are getting to meet and engage with your ideal clients and customers. They are getting to know what you do and what you offer. So I want you to notice how that pride or joy or feeling of success feels in your body. I'm pointing to my heart because that's where I normally feel it. It feels good. Second step. What would this future you, who can see it going well, who knows how exciting it feels to get the results, what would they say to you when you're resisting making a video? Would they tell you to not bother until it was perfect? They'd probably tell you to just go for it. You're only going to get better and better each time you do it. What would this future wiser self say to you now? Third step, write this advice down. This comes from your deeper wisdom. This comes from an energy of strength. It comes from excitement, that feeling you know it's going to work out in the end. So write down that wisdom, that advice your future self told you, and put it on your wall. Read it every time you go to make a video. You'll notice the difference in the way you speak, your energy and your tone. Give it a go. I'd love to see how you get on.